you ever wondered how your car is able to transition so smoothly between gears, or what happens when you press the clutch pedal down? It's a crucial system that allows your car to shift gears and control the flow of power from the engine to the wheels. But how does it actually work? Take a closer look. The clutch is a complex system, but it can be broken down into several key components, including the flywheel, pressure plate, clutch disc, and release bearing. Each of these components plays a vital role in the operation of the clutch. So let's start with the flywheel. The flywheel is a heavy, toothed wheel that's attached to the end of the crankshaft. It provides a smooth surface for the clutch disc to engage with and helps to regulate the engine speed. Next, have the pressure plate. The pressure plate is a spring-loaded plate that's mounted on the flywheel. It applies pressure to the clutch disc, holding it in place and allowing it to engage with the flywheel. The clutch disc is the component that actually engages with the flywheel. It's a friction plate that's coated with a specialized material designed to provide maximum grip and durability. When the clutch pedal is pressed down, the release bearing is activated, which releases the pressure on the clutch disc, allowing it to disengage from the flywheel. This allows the driver to shift gears without grinding or damaging the transmission. Now, let's take a step-by-step look at how the clutch works. When the clutch pedal is released, the pressure plate applies pressure to the clutch disc, causing it to engage with the flywheel. As the engine spins, the clutch disc begins to rotate, transferring power to the transmission. When the clutch pedal is pressed down, the release bearing is activated, releasing the pressure on the clutch disc, allowing it to disengage from the flywheel. This allows the driver to shift gears without grinding or damaging the transmission. But what happens when the clutch starts to wear out? The most common problems with the clutch is wear and tear. Over time, the clutch disc can become worn down, reducing its ability to engage with the flywheel. This can cause the clutch to slip or fail to engage properly. Another common problem is clutch chatter, which occurs when the clutch disc vibrates or oscillates, causing the clutch to engage and disengage rapidly. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including warped or damaged clutch components or misaligned engine or transmission mounts. So how can you prevent these problems? The best ways to prevent clutch wear and tear is to use the clutch correctly. Avoid riding the clutch or keeping it partially engaged, as it can cause excessive wear on the clutch disc. Also, make sure to press the clutch pedal down slowly and smoothly to avoid putting excessive stress on the clutch components. And of course, regular maintenance is key. Have your clutch inspected and serviced regularly to ensure it's in good working condition. Now, let's talk about some interesting facts about the clutch. Did you know that the clutch is one of the most complex systems in your car? It requires a delicate balance of friction and pressure to operate smoothly, or that the clutch is responsible for controlling the flow of power from the engine to the wheels. It's a critical component that plays a vital role in your car's performance and longevity. In conclusion, the clutch is a complex system that plays a vital role in your car's transmission. By understanding how it works and taking steps to prevent common problems, you can help ensure your car runs smoothly and efficiently. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The clutch system is a vital component of your car's transmission, and understanding how it works is essential for optimal performance and longevity. Following the tips and advice outlined in this video, you can help prevent common problems and keep your clutch running smoothly. Remember to always use the clutch correctly and have it inspected and serviced regularly to ensure it's in good working condition. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. And as a final note, if you're looking for more information on the clutch system or any other car-related topic, be sure to check out our website, where you'll find a wealth of information and resources, including articles, videos, and FAQs. So until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. And one more thing, if you're interested in learning more about the clutch system or any other car-related topic, be sure to check out our social media channels, where you'll find a wealth of information and resources, including articles, videos,